Hello, I want to show you how you can do 2D light system in top-down project Godot. So if you just want project, you can literally download it from GitHub. I'm gonna put a link into the description. But if you just want to implement to your project or just know how to do that, I'm gonna show it real quick. So first we have a scene. To the scene I added canvas modulate. I have two scenes, so you can play with that. Here I have like not fully black, because if it's fully black, it's just, yeah, you cannot see anything. Here, this canvas modulate, you just literally change the color. It's basically fully white, and you can do it fully black, or you can change it, like play with that. Then we have player, enemy. Enemy is literally without any script attached to it, and player has one script which is literally basic movement and then move and slide. Right, left, down, up. I added that in project in input map on WASD. So then I have a player which is gonna look at direction that we put our mouse in to rotate. We can see that. And we have our enemy, and enemy is just gonna be appeared if we have light on him. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so here we have a player, and we add child node. It's gonna be light 2D node, point light 2D. After we added that, we need to add texture in the assets. You can just put it here. Here, after we added the texture, if you want to do the texture yourself, you have to keep in mind that it has to be like in the middle. If you wanna cast like the shadows to the right, it has to be from the middle to the right, and on the left, top and down, it has to be transparent or black. I think black works. Not sure, not gonna lie. So after that, you make your texture, you just put it in point light 2D, and you already have your light, but you don't have shadows yet. You can play with that, you can change energy. All I did here is just changed energy, and I think I scaled it a bit. After that, if you wanna add shadows, you go literally to shadows, you make it enabled, and that's it. It's gonna cast shadows. If you want shadows to be a different color, you have to just change color. Maybe you want it, I don't know, like blue or something, or the green. You do it here. Don't forget to put transparent a little bit brighter. To showcase that, let me do something real quick. I did that on different light. I'm gonna do it on my main light here. Yep, and here now we have blue shadows. If you try to implement it in your project, you don't have shadows because I'm showcasing and you didn't add occlusions to your tile. I'm gonna show you how you can add occlusions so you will have shadows. For shadows, we have to go to rendering, occlusion layers. We open occlusion layers. Here I already added it, but you won't see that. You just add new element. So after that, we go to tile set on our tile map. We select our tile that we wanna have shadows on, to cast shadows. We go to rendering, and here to occlusion layer, and we just put a new one. So here, if I'm just gonna put it away, right now it doesn't cast shadows, and yeah, all we have to do is just add occlusion layers, and here we go, we have our shadows. Now we have our enemy that is gonna appear only on light, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So So now we have two approaches to that. First, if it's fully black, of course we're not gonna see our enemy, but if it's not fully black, for example, if it's like this, so our enemy is gonna be appeared. I'm gonna delete that first to showcase that. So now we can see our enemy and we don't really want that. So basically we want to see him only when it's in our vision, like in Darkwood. To do that, we go to enemy, we go to sprite for the enemy, go to material, add new canvas item material, and here light mode, we put it on light only. We save it. Now we only see it when it's on the light. You might want to make it less bright than other sprites, so it's not gonna be appeared as bright on light. If you want it to be fully black, then all you have to do is just make canvas modulate on fully black. The downside to it, we cannot see the tiles that have colors, and we can literally just see the transparent tiles that white or black, like on the grayscale. So yeah, to showcase here, like we have two tiles, you can see that. The one is literally like they're almost the same or on the light, but this one is transparent and this one is not. And if it goes fully black, so here we can see it black and gray, and here we cannot see it. I don't know the easy fix for that. If you know, you can comment. Well, this is mostly it. Good luck.